Hi friends, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. And if this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe and join our YouTube family. So today's video, instead of a DIY, it is going to be a thrift haul, but I need your help on this one. So I would love for you to stick around and see how I could use your help. So first I wanted to show you the few things I got. I got this little wooden chest. Well, I guess it's not little, it's pretty big. It was only $4.99 and it looks handmade just because you know, of the wood that was used and stuff, but it's got the really pretty handles. I just fell in love with it. But for this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the things that I got from the thrift store as like a thrift haul, obviously. But I want you to, if you have ideas on how to flip these items or refresh them, then leave them in the comments, because I always read your guys' comments after, you know, obviously after the video's been done, and you guys have fabulous ideas on how you would have, you know, changed it up different than I would have. So I would love to hear what you would do with these pieces, because after reading your comments, I want to do a video and try and recreate what you guys had in mind. For this next one, I loved this little plant. I like the texture on it. Not necessarily the color, but I do love the color of the flowers. They're like a burnt orange and just like really pretty for fall. And I did give them the sniff test. I learned from Kristen K, to smell everything from thrift stores and garage sales. And actually they smell really nice, like somebody put essential oils in there. Also, I liked this little tray. I've been seeing these around, and they're more of like a vintage little metal tray. Again, let me know what you guys would do with these pieces and how you would change them up, or if you would leave them. Also, I liked the texture in this bowl and just the shape of it. I thought it was really pretty. Not necessarily the color, but I thought it would be fun to maybe put like a texture on there, or I don't know, maybe stuff I'm not thinking about. That's why I'm asking for your help. And this little basket, I grabbed it just because I like what it's made of, and I thought either I could change the color or even like take this apart, and for 99 cents I couldn't go wrong. But I could take it apart and use you know, that basket weave stuff for something else. I loved this sign. It's actually like, it's not just printed on there, it's actual like wood pieces. But I was thinking like maybe a tray, or I don't know, give me your guys' ideas. And I know I don't usually put videos out on Monday, but I do have a regular DIY video going up tomorrow evening, because that's my new video upload day. Also, this frame, I thought it was so cute for 99 cents. I love the detailing around there and just the texture. And I thought if you guys like doing this and giving me your ideas and I try and recreate them like the following week, I could make this into a monthly thing, because I love interacting with you guys and I wish we could just all craft together. I think that would be super fun. And plus, I've never seen anybody do anything like this, so I thought it would be fun and different. But for this one, I thought it was really cool. Obviously it's broken, and that frame is supposed to be glued in the middle, but I thought I could flip it over and maybe take it apart and re-glue it, maybe paint it, I don't know. And this lampshade, I actually went to the thrift store looking for a lampshade because I had something in mind. But then when I brought this home, I really liked the color of that blue. I just thought it was really pretty in the design. But it's really yellowed on the inside, so I didn't know if I use it as is the yellow going to show through? I don't know. Obviously it's old, I think. And this last one, I love this one. I love tobacco baskets. But it was only, what was it, $1.99? $2.99 maybe. but it had a little break, and that's the only thing I could see wrong with it, but that could easily be fixed with a little bit of glue. And I liked the rope detailing around the edges. So again, let me know what you guys have in mind, what you would do with these pieces, how you would change them up, how you would refresh them. Leave them in the comments. If you have like pictures of ideas, maybe email them to me. But I thought this would be a fun change of pace. So thank you guys so much for watching and all your love and support. I hope you're having a great week so far, and I'll see you next time. Bye!